Okay, we're at the San Javier Metro Station. I'm going up the stairs. We're going to take the metro car up to the second stop. It's gorgeous here. It's interesting here in the afternoons when the, so to speak, rush hour is on. You can get hundreds of people coming off the metro cars that are going to go up the cable. They're rushing up the steps to get in line. But that's funny. I'm going to come here and record that one day. Here we go. Okay. It's gorgeous. That's where we're headed. Starting to come up. All right. Wow. Oh, great. Take some great pictures of beautiful places.
Ya,